welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, Arts, Crafts, and everything in between, can be found on my website, eileenlittlecrafter.com. Alrighty guys, so as promised, I am going to be doing my first somewhat nail tutorial. This is a very beginnerish type deal. I've done a ton of research and it still looks difficult, but it is so much fun. And yeah, so you guys know that I follow B.M.C or Fun Bundle online. Excuse me, not Fun Bundle. Excuse me, what are they called again? I think bundlemonster.com. So hold on, sorry guys. So yeah, bundlemonster.com or B.M.C. And I got some new plates. I got these are the Creative Set 1 and 2. I'll put a link in the description down below or a caption. I just want to get some stuff over here. Just want to quickly clean my my thingy, my stamper. Make sure it doesn't have this crazy residue on it or anything like that. Before I start also, I would like to thank everybody that's been watching my videos. Thank you so much, and thank you for everybody who did to my new subscribers. I normally don't do DIY type nail art stuff, but I've just been really getting into it, and I've just been having a lot of fun. So I shared a lot of the stuff. This is some new stuff. I shared about this what I started out. My base coat is Sally Hansen base coat and top coat, so that's what I'm going to use for my top and bottom. I'm not going to paint my nails. I just wanted to do a quick little thingy. Where's my scraper's right here. I'm going to be using plate number B.M.S. 301, and also I'm going to be using BM-605. So yeah, I'm gonna be using, I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know if I should use my light. I don't know if it'll be too bright. And I'm also going to be using this little design right here. So I'm a little worried. I'm going to be using the color Blue by You B1A3. This is a stamping polish. Also, I'm going to be using for easy cleanup Mani Mask. This is a cuticle protector. This is latex free. Yeah, so that's that. And let's get on with it. I think I may fast forward some of this. So, yeah. So what we're gonna do first is I want to do. I don't know. I kind of want to do a little bit of. Actually, I don't know. I kind of want to do this. Or this. You know what? I'm gonna start off with this. I'm gonna do this one. And then I'm going to add this one to my thumb. Now, I do have a cracked thumb. I'll fix that later. I just realized that before I started this video, I haven't been really paying that much attention to my nails. So, actually, you know what? Before I start anything, let's do this. You want to do this. You can use glue with water or just regular Elmer's glue. I want to try this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint our cuticles. And I want to make sure. Okay, so now I'm gonna give this a little shaky, no ball in it. So also I would like to thank my sister Lorene. Thank you again, sweetie, for giving me a quick tutorial. She was kind enough to give me because I was like, oh look, and I'm like, I kind of have an idea of what to do, but not really sure. She's so good at this stuff, I'm telling you. So I want to just put enough, like I don't want to coat the whole thing because you're just going to scrape it. So you want to do this quickly, get the scraper, hold down, and it didn't look like it got all the way. Let's try this again, just a little more. You want to be a little quicker. You also want to, okay, so that looks good. Wipe it, come with your stamper, press down, and I said I was going to use the pinkies, and you want to kind of roll. And that's where that stuff comes in handy. That's another reason why I wanted the, let me zoom in a little more so you guys can see. Oops, sorry. Let me see, let me move these bad boys out the way so you guys can see better. Okay, so this is what the nail looks like before I clean up. You wanna also take some acetone. You can use a Q-tip or something that's lint free. You want to just actually this one already has some, and it's a bigger piece. And or a kitchen towel. I have to put this in a smaller bottle, but anyways, you get the gist. Alright, if you're worried about messing up your mani, just give it a quick tweeze, and voila. You want to make sure that you get this off, because that's what happened to me. I forgot to rub off my scraper, so I'm just going to leave that like that. And then the tape, let's go. Going to take, you can use, like I said, a lint roll brush, and you just this will pick up any extra paint that's on there. So this is just some tape that I have, some packing tape, and we're going to do the rest of the nails. I'll do that one more time so you guys can see it a little bit better. Going to kind of move quickly. So you want to have your setup going on. Alright, so I'm going to move this out the way because I'm not going to be needing it. I'm not needing this right now. I'll be needing this. So, alright, so you want to take your, because I'm clumsy, take your nail polish, nice little bead, hold down the plate, take your scraper, if you could pick it up, quick. If it looks like it needs another scraping, you want to go in the direction of the design, pick it up, and take it and roll it on your finger. See, this is what I didn't like about this one. I can fix that. Yep. Alright, so we fixed it. That's another reason why I wasn't too happy with this stamper. It stamps good, but I just can't see the placement. And I left my other one upstairs, so. Alright, so the rest of this video, I'm going to speed up until I get to the little dream catcher. Alrighty, so now we are Going to do the little dream catcher. And I don't know if you noticed this, but I am wiping off my scraper. This is what this towel looks like. I don't know. I've made a couple of mistakes before. But I left a lot of my tools upstairs and I was kind of lazy, so that's alright. I have a little bit down here, that's good. Again, this is B.M.C. And so yes, so we're just gonna do our thumbs. I'm actually thinking about doing them in the same colors. Excuse this broken thumb. And yeah, so I've never actually did this one. I've never really done a small one like this before, so I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've said it before. Haven't done this before, and so yeah. So let's start plumbing, and let's do it already. Okay, so we are going to take the same polish that we've been working with. Trying not to use too much, and I'm going to just give it a little sleepy. Yeah. Going to take our scraper, give it a little scrape down, pick it up quickly, transfer it nicely, trying to make sure, line it up as best as I can. Actually, I think I want it in the opposite direction, so whoopsie, this may have messed up on me already. And no. Okay, the nail has dried. So now take 2. Or is that take 3? I don't know. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is take this nail polish once again. I'm going to put a little dab because it's so small. And I'm going to scrape it down. Scrape off the excess paint on the scraper, and then I'm going to reverse this because I want it facing this way. Going to put it close to the image and roll. That's kind of cute. It's not, I know it's not centered, but it is what it is. And probably this was not the best polish to go on camera with. Maybe I should have used a base coat. Duh, Eileen. That probably would have helped too. Alright, so almost made a boo-boo. Alright, so we're going to clean this off. Always want to clean off first. We don't have any, but just to be on the safe side, just going to take that. You don't. Okay, clean off the stamper. Let's try this one more time. Next time I'll bring down my whatchamacallit, just a little bit. Take the scraper, scrape off the excess paint, and okay, so going to put it, oh wait, I want to flip it. I want to wait quickly, Eileen, and going to roll it. Ooh, that one's a little bit better. Yay! Alright, so now we're going to clean this up. I am going to add my top coat, and then I will peel off my nails and call it a day. Hello, I'm back. I was rambling here like for 5-10 minutes, so because I forgot to turn on the back on the camera. I actually had a little bit of issues taking this stuff off. I may have to watch this video, and yeah, again to apply it. I did read that it was a bit of a pain. So, anyways, but I'm glad that I bought it, you know, because I actually do have a lot. I don't have a steady hand when I'm painting my nails, so this worked. This saved me a lot more cleanup than normal. I do have a bit of it on there, so didn't realize that. So what I was saying was that was a bit of a pain. I had to use hot water to take it off, just gently rub it. and my manicure is actually coming off because I put it in the wrong spot. So maybe that's okay, that's alright, I'll take it off in a couple of days anyways. So yeah, so by no means this is extremely beginner person here. But if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. You can always email me your comments or questions at Eileen, at EileenTheLittleCrafter.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, thank you for my sister, for showing me how to do this. Thank you for all the other nail art people that put this stuff out on YouTube. You guys have been awesome. I've learned a lot from you guys, and thank you for everybody who's been watching my videos, and thank you to my new subscribers. You guys are amazing, and yeah, we're almost hitting our goal, so woo! I'm super excited. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.